Hi boys and girls, today I'm going to show you how to find volume of right rectangular prisms by packing with cubic units and counting. Let's begin. Alright boys and girls, so what we're going to do is we're going to follow some simple steps to figuring out the volume of this net. This figure that you see on this page is called a net. Tomorrow during class, or today during class, whenever you're watching this video and you're back in school, you are going to do this with a couple of these problems. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to copy the image that you see. So this image down here that you see, you're going to copy it on grid paper. Okay, you're going to shade the bottom of the box and then outline the figure. So the bottom of the box is this dark gray section. Okay, and then you're going to outline the rest of the figure just like this. I'm going to show you this in just a second. Okay, then you're going to fold up the flats to make the outside of the box, and you're going to tape the edges of the box. So you're going to put a tape from here to here and from here to here once it's all folded up. Then you're going to fill the box with centimeter cubes to find out how many fill it up and figure out the volume. Let me show you what I mean. All right, so just as I told you, I shaded the bottom, then I traced around the outside, and then I cut. So that'll save us a little time right here in my video. So after doing that, it said to fold up the sides. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, to make a box. So now my box is three-dimensional, which means it has volume. So now I'm going to find out the volume. You were instructed to tape the sides. I'm not going to do that right now so that I can show you. But I am going to show you how to stuff those with your unit cubes. So we all should know, because this is the same volume that we started with here, is that the bottom will fill 4. And then when I close up the sides, it looks like I have more to go to fill up my box. So I'm going to put another layer of 4 on top of that. And now my box is full. So what is my volume? Well, 4 on the bottom and 4 on the top. I have a total of 8 cubic centimeters because I have 8 cubes. So the volume is 8 cubic centimeters. I'm going to show you this one more time so you're more comfortable when you come in and work on this concept. So again, I shaded the bottom and I traced the outline of the rest of the figure. Now I'm going to fold the figure up into a box to create a box so that I can find out how many cubic units or cubic centimeters will fill my box. So now I'm going to take my unit cubes, just like you will tomorrow, and I'm going to fill my box. I have 3 on the bottom, and then I have to have another row, which will be 3 as well. So my total volume is 6 because I have 6 cubes that filled my box. Now we're going to do a little review from what we did in yesterday's lesson. So I'm going to show you how to do a couple of these, and then I'm going to have you complete the rest and bring it in tomorrow. So they want us to find out the cubic centimeters for these 6 rectangular prisms, or these prisms. So if we look at this prism right here, in order to find the volume, all we need to do is count the cubes. We have 1, 2. So the answer is 2 cubic centimeters. Let's do one that's a little harder. Over here, we have this one right here. Okay, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes, but there's something that I have to know about this section right here. In order for this cube to be up, there has to be one beneath it. So there's one beneath this that we can't see. So we know that there's 2 right here. There's 1, and then there's another one behind it. We know there's 2 here, and then we know there's 2 here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 is the one behind there, 5, and 6. So the cubic centimeters for this is 6. What I'd like you to do is to finish the rest of these and bring this in tomorrow. Thanks for watching.